Well, hello everyone and welcome to an unboxing video of Vampire The Masquerade Chapters, Montreal. Okay, this is going to be like my first trying to get back into things kind of thing. And let me go ahead and turn off the fan, even though it's extremely hot. It's summertime. Not very good for vampires, I can tell you that much. Let's see. I don't really have a lot to show. I have everything to show, but I want to show you kind of like the size. This is of course a DVD, and I'm not even, oh, that's about half of it. So if you add another Blu-ray, yeah, you got that right. So it's like kind of two Blu-rays long. Yes, it's a typical average box, but it's bigger than the average type gaming boxes like we see again and again. Yeah, so I've already unwrapped everything on the sides, as well as all the other expansions that I got for this. This is a game for 1 to 4 players, and yeah, it's very big. So let's see, open up time. Now I haven't actually seen inside of this properly. And when I say properly, I haven't seen anything at all. Oh, but like I said, I'll just open up the wrapper just because it makes things easier to get through this. Oh wow! What the heavy boards, very heavy boards. Oh, there's a lot of them. Oh wow! Wow! There you go. There's one. Oh no, that is extremely heavy. Oh, and they are double-sided. I don't know how well my camera can actually see all of that. So I'm going to show you just a few of the tiles. Yeah, I'm a little bit out of breath. That's because, yeah, again, it's summertime. I'm extremely hot, and this box is very heavy. I can tell you that much. Right, that'll do. I mean, there's lots of tiles in there. Way too many tiles for me to keep carrying on, so I'm just going to carry on and doing all the other bits instead of that. Oh, look at this. Oh, hello. Right. Oh, that's just interesting. Oh, we have the storybook all right. Oh, and we have the rule book. Oh, hello. A rule book? That doesn't feel like it's all that big. What? How many pages? Credits, cool. Glossary. You can't go wrong with a glossary. No, seriously. Okay, goes to 53. Okay. Nice diagrams as well. Very good. Not lots of nice details. Good. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, yeah. So not too much to go into, but that's still enough to go. Oh, that shouldn't take too long to read. Now, of course, I'm not going to go ahead and open up the storybook because that will spoil a few things. Yeah, I'm not the fastest reader, but still. Right, we have. Lots of standees, lots and lots of standees, and tokens on the back. Okay, I don't think there's much point in opening them up, so it's just trying to get through this as quickly as I can, but at the same time, what makes sense. Look at this, God. Look at that black sand. Oh yeah, there you go. That's awesome. That's really awesome. And we have some minis over here. Yes. Hexagonal faces. Yes. Got kind of knew that. These look pretty good. Very good, in fact. Yeah, I like them. They are nicely detailed. Nice. These are the vampires that you could control, and each one has their own. Oh geez, I'm not very good with Vampire the Masquerade lore and all that stuff. Oh, what are they called? Oh, that's going to bug me. Oh, that's going to bug me completely. Oh dear. Yeah. Clans. Got it. Each vampire clan has different bonuses and all that stuff. So yeah. So you pick one of these characters that represents a clan, and yeah, away you go. Nice. Yes. I don't know how well my camera's. I'm actually kind of sitting on the side kind of thing, and yet we have 4 more clan members to be put in this box. Ooh, can't go wrong with a quick reference guide. Ooh, this is nice. You've got numbers 1 to 70 and 71 plus for the cards, of course. And here we have some dice. Yeah, nice. It's like D10s. And we have bases for the standees and all that. Cubes. This has got to be something. It's probably not for everyone, but it's for everyone. As in, like, everyone doesn't get one of these. Everyone just gets just that one, and I'm going to take it from there. Hey, I got 4 tokens in here. How nice! But what's under this box? Well, I don't know. And now we know. Oh, new box smell. Right. What are these? Oh, right, okay. It can be interesting. See, I don't want to like open them all up, kind of thing. So it's supposed to be maybe like henchmen, enemies, and probably whichever vampires you pick as well. Oh, summon. Ooh. I wonder what clan does that one. Hey. Okay. All characters. Okay. Like I said, I don't really want to open them up. Like I said, I've got a lot to go through. So, isn't that obvious? Don't turn off the video just yet. Okay. Ooh, oh, okay, that's interesting. Oh, yeah, thousands and thousands and thousands of cards. Oh, geez, it's gonna be insane. Flyos. Okay, what are these, I wonder? I think these might be the specific chapter. Oh yes, they're the chapter cards. All right. Oh, prologue. Good. You know what? I'm just gonna open up one of these because I don't know. No, all the little booklets. Right. Yeah. Like I said, they are all the little booklets for your chapters. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 5. Oh. I think this is with your vampire characters. Yeah, I'm positive. Oh yeah. So you get your own little booklet. Nice. But then, like, what would I know? There you go. I haven't played it yet. Now, I don't really get to have time to play long games of these. And when I do, it takes forever. Because my gaming group tends to be always busy. Oh, look at that, it's got 3 whole stacks worth. That is massive. I believe that is actually it. Oh, Let me just go ahead and... Yep, that's it. That's it. Whew. And it's a huge box. Really huge. Oh dear, this is like crazily huge. And I don't get to say the word crazily. Or do I? No, not as much. What is interesting in this is just nothing in here. There you go. Just this bit up here. There's nothing there. It's just empty. What goes in there, I wonder? Probably the chapters that you're on and all that. Right, well, that's the main box. And yet, like I said, it's big. And it's weighty. And it's heavy. And it's, really kind of tall as well. However, because I was a full-on backer, there's more to go. Right, NPC miniatures. That's right. You can replace the standees with these nice NPC miniatures. Come on, open up. Come on, that's it. You know you want to come out. Come on, open. Open. Says me. There you go. Great. So just like normal, like I said, you know, got nice little miniatures on hexagonal bases. Yep. Don't worry. It is just that. So, I mean, it does feel like it's a big giant box for just these set of miniatures. I mean, unnecessarily big, I think. That could shrink down a bit more better. But hey ho, mainly all the little boxes are like that. Even the Kickstarter exclusives. Oh, let's just have a quick look. Hey, a thank you. Of course, I will be happy to read that. Little later. There you go. Brush, just don't care. Yes, no problem. Hey, some more cards. Can't go wrong with more cards. We love cards. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, look at this. Nice. Wolf, yeah, summoning. Snake, probably also another summon. And just like normal, all these extra minis. Oh yes, can't go wrong with the extra minis. But yes, like I said, I will be happy to read that. I do like reading the thank you messages. And it's also fun when they add people's names to the games as well. It's always nice to do that. Anyway, painted minis, of course. Like I said, I went full in, so okay. That's okay. And these aren't bad, you know. Not bad. So that's and one more. How about the one that's squatting down? Yeah. Okay. That would be one of the expansion characters. Some of these are expansion characters. Oh, I do apologise for knocking the camera. Which, of course, I have. Yeah, that was just literally minis. Oh. Another box. Another board. Double-sided, of course. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Anyway, this game is for 18 plus, if anyone wanted to know that. Miniature board. Hey, nice. miniature unpainted. More standees. I'm not too sure if they are actually in the NPC miniature box. It's like I said, I'm just literally just opened this up. So, ooh, hello. Ha 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 ha. Oh, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter number 1, chapter number 2. Oh, okay, cool. Is there anything else? Nah, of course not. Don't be silly. But it's quite. Yeah, again, it's quite big. I don't know if it was necessarily needed to be that big. Well, it kind of does because of the tile, but at the same time. Never mind, it's fine, it's fine. This is kind of a thin box, so yeah, that's fine to just slide in. But it is kind of still big that way. Next, quickly, let's go. Open, says me. Ooh, look at these. Is this? Yes, yes. This is the subway, perhaps, or just a normal train station. Don't know yet. Mini. Haha, it's got a gun and a knife. Board. Character sheet. Here again. Oh, last train to Ministry. Train wreck. But is it a subway or is it a normal train? I think it's a normal train. So you've got standees. More cards. Oh, a nice one as well. And NPC card. Huh. Or cards. Oh, there's me knocking the cam again. Oh, jeez. What's wrong with me? Oh, yeah. I'm extremely hot. I had to turn my fan off just to make sure that the audio picks up properly. Oh, dear. Oh, the things that I do. Yeah, we're not done yet. Oh, right, okay. Another board. Yes, quite nice. Portrait of Damien Buckfield and the Lonely House in the Woods. Oh, that's going to be interesting. I guess it's only just that one. More items. Yeah. This one only has 3 standees in it. That's pretty neat. Getting there. As in literally we're almost done-ish. Because this is the last proper expansion. Ooh, wow. Check out that piano. Nice. And this one has a few standees to it. And I can hear the ice cream van. I don't know if you you can hear the ice cream van, but I've got every single item for this game, and every single character that I can play. Sorry, the heat's getting to me. What do I expect? I've just come back from work. Extremely hot. Right. Now, the others. Okay. The other bits that I got. There's some cards that I got. I think these were cards that you're supposed to replace from the main board game. So yeah, I also got all the bags, which all comes in black with all their symbols on it. Oh, these are typical normal black drawstring bags, just your typical average gaming bag. Yeah, being upside down, of course. Yeah, nice. So if I just take them away. Last bits. Now I got the exclusive 12 items. Yeah, I don't want to like damage them or anything. Okay. I'm just doing it. Okay, fine. What? Stack of cash, yes please. Fake fingies. You can pause the video anytime, you know. It's just like have a good look. Cool. That was the exclusive items boosters. You can't go wrong with that. Of course, whole bunch of card sleeves. The dice set, metal dice set that is. I can't even take one out. Ah, there you go. Oh yeah, that's weighty. Oh, yes. What did I roll? Oh, I don't know. Huh. Neat. Oh, okay. And the last one, which is the boon tokens, the metal boon set. Ooh, these look nice. Let's just... I can't take them out. I can't take them out. Ah! Alright, okay. These are very light, even though it's like it's from metal, it's so light and doesn't feel like anything. Okay. Well, I just wrecked the box, but well, not really wrecked the box, it just messed up the box, but it doesn't matter. I'm doing this for you. It's fine. It's fine. I'll deal with it later, but not on camera. Oh, okay. Well, that if I grab that, I can't grab. Pulling box. Oh, Vampire The Masquerade Chapters. #1, Montreal. Oh, this is going to be a big game. Well, that's because it is a big game, but puns aside, I am looking forward to playing this. I really am. And yes, you can see that the light is shining on the words chapter, and that's because that's done at a different with different type of material on it, so it kind of would be bright on it. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I'm looking forward to playing this game. There's unlikely to be a review because it's like I've really got to get into this first, and it takes a long time to do so, which is a shame. That I've got a lot of things to take care of. I've got my work and my gaming groups doing other bits and pieces. We are really behind on everything. Oh, but hey ho, this is at least nice. I'm positive I'm going to enjoy this because I do like Vampire the Masquerade. Well, anyway, that's all I have. So yeah, thank you very much. Bye.